Forklift accidents can lead to critical losses in a company's bottom line, or perhaps even bankruptcy, and at worst, the death of an employee.
What we wanted to do is have a consistent impact test for all products out there that would be comparable to roll form racking or structural racking accordingly.
To prove that old substandard racking stands very little chance when facing a 5-ton forklift, Got Rack owner Alan Bridges built this massive pendulum with a 1-ton counterweight, simulating forklift abuse, and the results are crushing.
So that the consistency would be, very measurable, and our engineers could give the engineering data to back up. So what we've done is simulated 14,000 pounds of impact at 14 miles per hour. But we wanted to show what that does to a roll form product, what that does to a structural product, and what that does to rack avenger.
We slip in a second type of racking, bolt it down, and set the massive weight in place to see how it stands up to the collision. The results are similar. Weak and inadequate racking led Bridges, his team of engineers and technicians, to manufacture and invent the ultimate rack defense upright, the Rack Avenger.
Rack Avenger didn't move.